I'm going to show you how to make a croque monsieur. To me, this is the absolute best sandwich in the world. It does require a little bit of work, which I know you think maybe a sandwich isn't worth it, but let me tell you it is. So we will just get on first with the sauce. Let's just turn on the heat. And I will add 20 grams of butter to the pan. Just let that melt. Okay, the butter has melted now, so I'm just going to add some flour, again 20 grams. This really doesn't take very long. I just want to stir the flour into the butter and then keep it moving just for a moment, just to cook out the flour. We don't want a raw flour taste in our sauce. Okay, so that's had cooked enough. I'm just going to change to a whisk here to whisk in the milk. I'm going to take this off the heat and whisk in the milk. So we just want to add a little bit at a time. Start off with maybe a tablespoon and stir that in. This just ensures I don't get a lumpy sauce. Again, another spoonful. And once you have a few spoonfuls mixed in, you can add the milk a little more generously once it loosens up a little. So that's loosened up quite a bit now, so I can add my milk a little more generously. Go the whole lot this time, why not? We can return that to the heat again and just stir it for a few moments until it thickens up. And that's it, we're almost there, that's it. I just want to season this a little, so I've got some fresh nutmeg here. Now go easy with this, because too much and it'll be more like apple pie. Some sea salt and some white pepper. Just give this another whisk. Okay, that is our sauce done. Just set that aside. Right, it's really just an assembly job really from here on in, so just get rid of this for a moment. So I want quite thick slices of bread, but not so thick that it'll have cooked on the outside before the cheese gets a chance to melt inside. Okay, that's perfect. Butter one side with some Dijon mustard. Layer up, so I'm going to go a slice of Emmental cheese and a slice of ham, and again another slice of ham and another slice of cheese. Cool. I could eat it just as it is, but I'll be patient. So I just want to, I'm going to cook it in butter, so I just want to add a knob of butter, and I also want just the tiniest little bit of oil to prevent the butter burning. Just swirl that about. Butter is melted, so I'm just going to add this to the pan. Kind of golden and toasted on each side. So while you're waiting on your sandwich to toast, it would be a good idea to maybe get your grill nice and hot, so speed things up. Perfect. So our sandwich is cooked through on both sides. You can hear how crispy that is. So I just want to now add some of the bechamel sauce on top. Just a bit of that. Spoon this over. Cheese, and this just needs to go into the grill just to the cheese melts and blisters on top, and that's it. So my sandwich has had its time under the grill. I'm just going to take this out onto the board to cut. Dive in. Very hot. It is so good.